Boy howdy, welcome back to the channel. On this beautiful Saturday morning, we're gonna check out the S10s. I've done a lot of work to them. I was gonna video it all, but it took several hours and several cuss words, but I got it done and it looks really good. Here's the old one. It's got all the parts off the other one. Well, they're just kind of laid in there to kind of hold the hood up and stuff. There's the old fender. Oh, but my good one, she's not in very good shape, you know. So I'll open up, that's fine. In this truck, I was gonna try to get her running, you know. And I was doing some stuff off camera. I cleaned out the carburetor, cleaned out all the mud daubers that were in there, and I was going to hook a battery onto her and see what I could get to happen, until I realized that there's not a starter in it. Down there, no starter. So that's great. So I'm gonna have to find me a starter, buy one sometime. I don't know. I don't really have the extra funds, so that's great. Maybe one of these days. Let's go check out my good S10. So here we are, and pretty much the whole front here is off of the parts truck. You know, grill, this little piece here, sanded on it and painted it up, well, primered it so it'll match the rest of the truck. The radiator support, top and bottom fan shroud, I think it all turned out pretty good, other than the new primer doesn't match the old primer. But it's a straight fender, and it looks so much better than that old one. But this truck, I've done a lot to this stuff since the last time I videoed, actually. The exhaust had rusted off at the end of the muffler, right in there somewhere. And when you was just sitting there in it while it was running, it dang near gas you out. So I took some old exhaust pipe, ran me a little side pipe going on here, but that helps out quite a bit. And I had some window tinting that we put on our 4230 left over, and made me an eyebrow to look cool and keep the sun out of my eyes, but mainly to look cool. I don't think I did too bad, really. But other than that, you know, not much to update you on. I ain't been doing a whole lot. Well, actually Thursday I took off work, sold calves and cut wood, mowed the yard. I don't know. Probably nothing y'all want to watch anyway, so. Well, maybe you'd want to watch us sell calves, but I was going to make a video on it, but, you know how that always goes. There's a lot of foul language that goes into that, and that's not very family friendly, so I didn't want to put it on the tube. But anyway, I think the S10 turned out really good. Got them aftermarket headlights that look sweet, and the grills, everything but that little piece there and that little piece there is there. And all the lights are working again, so, you know, she's ready to go. That's just a short little video for you, a little update on the trucks. Maybe one of these days we can get the old Red Rocket going.
if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that up. You know, that helps. I'm stuck at 34 subscribers. Thanks for watching. Till next time, see you on the flip flop.